Closing arguments have started in the murder trial of a man charged with killing his daughter's aunt. Dorian Thomas could learn today if he's convicted in the death of Emily Steinhoff. WRAL's Noah Klein is here now with what the jury's options will be in this, Noah.
Jeff, the jury's going to have to decide on 5 things here. You've got first-degree murder, second-degree murder, then you've got voluntary manslaughter versus involuntary, then finally, he could be not guilty here. Emily Steinhoff went with her sister Hillary Lombardi to pick up the child that Lombardi shared with Thomas. That's when Steinhoff was killed. The state here arguing Thomas meant to pull the trigger that day. The defense says this was an accident. The state spoke to the jury for about 20 minutes this morning, emphasizing Thomas meant to shoot to kill outside that home. They believe that while Steinhoff wasn't the target here, they still say he had intent to kill that day. Prosecutors, meanwhile, argue he wanted to have custody of his 14-month-old daughter before hearing the next day over that custody battle.
When the defendant wrapped that gun, put a bullet in the chamber, because you can't fire a gun that's not loaded, unlocked that door, opened it, took aim and fired. He thought he was going to win that custody battle right then and there, once and for all.
You hear the assistant district attorney there. Let's take you to the other side of this case. The defense says the shooting was not intentional or premeditated. Instead, it was an accident when Lombardi and Thomas got into some sort of physical confrontation. His defense team argues Thomas had a gun on him because he felt threatened by his ex. Thomas specifically mentioned Lombardi had connection to the Hells Angels and was concerned they could kill him.
The state's trying to tell you that he intended to shoot Hillary. The shot goes off and he drops the gun right where Hillary is. Who records an event when they intend to commit a crime?
As for what's next here, if convicted of first-degree murder, Thomas could face life in prison without parole. Conviction on a lesser charge like that voluntary manslaughter could mean a sentence as short as 24 months. Jury deliberations set to pick up later today. We are live streaming part of the trial over on WRAL.com.